Hi everyone, welcome. Today, we are tackling a crucial aspect of email security, DMARC. Specifically, we'll walk through setting up DMARC for environments that use both AWS SES for some sending and Office 365 for others. This setup is vital to prevent email spoofing, improve deliverability, and protect your brand's reputation. DMARC stands for Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance. It builds on SPF and DKIM by telling receiving mail servers what to do if an email fails these authentication checks and provides reports on email authentication status. To start, let's ensure your SPF and DKIM records are correctly configured for both services. For AWS SES, you need to set up DKIM. Go to your SES console, navigate to Domains, select your domain, and click Enable DKIM. SES will then provide you with 3 name records. You must add these name records to your domain's DNS settings. This step allows SES to sign your outgoing emails with DKIM. For SPF with SES, if you are sending through SES, your SPF record should typically include amazonses.com or be handled by SES if you're using Route 53 for DNS and have verified your domain there. Next, for Office 365, you also need to ensure SPF and DKIM are properly configured. Your domain's SPF record must include spf.protection.outlook.com. This tells receiving servers that Office 365 is authorized to send email on your behalf. For DKIM with Office 365, go to the Microsoft 365 Defender portal, navigate to Email and Collaboration, then Policies and Rules, and finally Threat Policies. Under DKIM, select your domain and enable DKIM signing. Microsoft will usually provide 2 name records that you need to add to your DNS. These records are essential for Office 365 to sign your outgoing emails. Once SPF and DKIM are set for both services, the final step is to create your DMARC record. This is a single TXT record added to your DNS for your domain, typically at _dmarc.yourdomain.com. The record starts with v equals DMARC1 indicating the DMARC version. The most important tag is p equals, which sets your policy. We highly recommend starting with p equals none. This policy tells receiving servers to do nothing with emails that fail DMARC, but it still sends you reports. This allows you to monitor authentication failures without impacting legitimate email delivery. You also need a RUA equals tag, which specifies an email address to receive aggregate DMARC reports. For example, RUA equals mailtode-reports@yourdomain.com. These reports are crucial for understanding your email ecosystem and identifying any legitimate emails that are failing authentication. You might also consider rough equals for forensic reports, though these can be very voluminous. Another useful tag is PCT equals, which allows you to apply your DMARC policy to a percentage of your email, useful for gradual rollout. After adding the DMARC TXT record to your DNS, remember that DNS changes can take some time to propagate. Start monitoring your DMARC reports closely. Look for any legitimate emails failing authentication and adjust your SPF or DKIM records as needed. Once you are confident that all legitimate emails are passing DMARC, you can gradually change your policy from p equals none to p equals quarantine, which tells servers to put failing emails in spam, and eventually to p equals reject, which tells servers to block failing emails completely. This phased approach is key to a successful DMARC implementation. Setting up DMARC correctly for a mixed environment like AWS SES and Office 365 significantly enhances your email security and deliverability. Thank you so much for watching this guide on DMARC setup. We hope it helps you secure your email communications. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more valuable tech tutorials and guides. See you next time.